here, so I figured out a way how I can use the 140 with 030 flex core and do that without making a whole bunch of garbage. Now, it ain't stacking dimes, but you're not going to stack dimes on this thin of a sheet metal. I don't care what type of weld you are, it won't be done. You will melt. I got a lot more work. Got patch here I gotta do. Got patch here I gotta do. Gotta build this corner. But if you look up at the light where I welded, you cannot see any light through. And I'm using the cordless Milwaukee M18 fan to blow air. And when I'm blowing air on it, like right there, I come in here with the welder and go tack, 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 tack. Wait a couple seconds, tack, 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 tack. And it's getting there. I don't see any holes in there. Might be little pinholes, but we won't know until we get it all welded up. But usually, if you can't see light through it, you won't be able to see there won't be a pinhole. So, I don't know. Maybe it's going to be leak-free, maybe it's not. But if you don't keep trying, you won't get better. So, FL250 tank, getting the job done.